everybody, so today I am going to film my Patreon exclusive tutorial, and I just want to show you how I film my videos usually. So I have my tripod set up like this, and I always make sure that I have natural light. So it's already autumn now and the sun goes down pretty quickly, so I have to shoot before 5 p.m. Yeah, if it's 12 o'clock noon, I think it will be like too harsh, so I try to film either early morning or in the afternoon, like past 2 p.m. So my table is already very Instagram friendly, that's why I kept this one. So this is actually from my friend and he gave it to me. And what I love about this is that I can pull everything. I mean, I can pull the drawers and I have everything inside that I need. So this is my stamp area. And some clips and random stuff. Sorry, I cannot really show what's down under here. It's so messy. Yeah, so ideally I would want this table to be bigger because I feel that it's a little bit cramped, but in the future I'm planning to upgrade my current table, but for now this will do. And so this is just how I set up my camera. So my tripod is very flexible. I think other tripods, they're not very flexible. I have another tripod, I cannot bend it like this, so you have to choose and check first. Yeah, so you can actually research about how to make overhead videos. There are a lot on YouTube, so I hope you can check those out as well. But this is really just how simple my setup is. So I just let's try. If the sunlight is too harsh right now, you cannot see the okay. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm recording. I'm using the video recording to make sure that it's high resolution, and sometimes when it's out of focus, I try to tap the screen. So it's very helpful if you have this LCD screen, and make sure that it's also touch screen. Yeah, so since you can see here, you can see like the unwanted part, I just zoom in like that. And sometimes the sunlight is too harsh that you would see a lot of shadows, right? So what I do is that I have curtains like this, so this will be like my diffuser. Look, it's so bright. Yeah, so I really need something like this to soften the video. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's just very simple. I hope that this mini video or desk tour helped you, and I hope to see some of your journal with me videos as well.